Alright, here's Paul with an object of tremendous interest to him. That would be the Jack-in-the-Box thing. He just burst it open. He's really going to work on this. I would not want to be the sock monkey inside of that box right now. It's probably a harrowing experience for him. He's probably looking to use that as a tool to further get after the box. You can see the sheer terror on the monkey's expression. This guy. Help! Paul the Third is going after me. Help! Somebody get me out of here. Paul. We really do not encourage violence from our child. This is just something he's doing. I don't think he really knows what he doesn't mean harm, obviously. He's a very peaceful child. And that's about it. This should continue for another 3 or 4 minutes, but I'm going to cut it off here.